we found the perfect size mirrors for the hallway. So we needed four mirrors, 2 large, 2 smaller, but the large is 550 and the small one's 415. If you do the maths, that's a lot of money for 4 mirrors in the hallway. But look, these were the kind of mirrors that we were looking for.
Get a nice chandelier for that price.
I found a really nice little chandelier. Come look at this. Chandelier. I really like that one.
So small.
I know, but it's really pretty. I like the bit up the middle. I think it's delicate, elegant. I really like that. Should we find out how much? What do you think of this one, Stuart? Not for the hallway, but I really like this chandelier. It's different. I've not seen one like that before.
What happens on top of the candles?
You stick a bulb in.
Okay.
Fallen in love with this small chandelier. I don't know where it's going to go, but I really love it, and so I'm having it.
Somewhere in England.
Somewhere.
Merry Christmas.
No. But yeah, I like it too much to leave it, so I'm having that one. Look what we got! Really excited about that. I just don't know where it's going to go.
If I'd bought that, you'd have gone mad.
Yeah, just don't break it.
Okay.
Hence the pad, because that's all it could give us.
No pressure then.
Right, I'm backing out of here. Carol reversing, Carol reversing.
Oh, it's sunny.
Look at that sparkle in the sun.
It's about my nose hair, it's all about luminaire.
Oh, look, that is stunning.
Très joli.
So pretty. So this is my brother Stuart.
Bonjour.
He can't speak French.
Bonjour.
I gave him the task of taking the floor out of the barn over there that everyone knows I want to do, but he's chickened out of that one, haven't you?
Not happening.
Not happening. He's only here for 2 days or 2.5 days, so he has offered to cut the box hedging in hope that it will come back after the caterpillars ate it.
Wasn't offered, I was told either do that or that. I don't do heights.
He doesn't. He's like Adrian. He's scared of heights. He's off with the wheelbarrow down to the secret garden to see what we can do with these bushes. These are the hedges we're talking about. As you know, they got eaten alive by the caterpillars. So we're going to top them and prune them back into a nice square shapes, rectangular shapes.
I think we should burn them.
Burn them. You'll be burnt if you did that. And also the ones over here. We'll see how much we can get done. Stuart stayed in bed quite late, so it's nearly 12 o'clock.
Stuart was up at 8 AM. The Cushing family, 9 AM every morning. Only allowed to work till 12.
So if we get on with it, put that coffee down.
Lazy bunch.
Right, let's see what we can get done.
He's taken over Alf's job.
Oh, that is Grandad.
Similar age.
What are you doing, Stu?
Making it safe. Lovely new brass latch down there.
Oh, have you just put that on?
Yeah.
Oh,
I've made
cool.
a mess, so Carol's not going to be happy.
No, she's not.
Tell her to get the hoover. Now I'm determined to look at this lock, which doesn't work.
I think you better clean up.
That's fine. It's all good. It's all good.
Oh, don't you look pretty?
Hello.
You sound tired.
I am tired.
Oh dear.
I want my dinner.
How's it going, Stuart?
I'll just drop the screwdriver. Look, one broken lock fixed.
Stuart's been on this all afternoon. Adrian's attempted it twice. Oh, what a nice view out the window sat here. I think I'll just stay here and watch.
Maybe I should sit there and read my book instead.
Well, instead of over there.
Yeah. It's comfy, this sofa though, because I can fit
Her dirty feet on the end.
whole body across. Yeah.
So you had to make a new part for this, didn't you?
I did.
Why did you decide to do this?
I had to get your Dremel out because I was told it was broken and it can be fixed.
And that annoyed you?
Yeah.
He's as bad as you, Mummy. He's as stubborn as you.
Everything can be fixed.
You can tell you're related.
Okay. I haven't got a door handle, but apart from that,
But well, there is a door handle, so if you can put it back on, I'd appreciate
I can't get
that.
the door open.
We're all just having a cosy evening in. You at home there, Luca?
Coffee.
Bethany, you quite at home over there?
Cozy.
All we can hear is the ticking clock. But I just walked out the salon doors and I thought, oh wow, those front doors look amazing. So let me show you.
Well, unfortunately, our helping hands, as in Beth and Stuart, have got to go home. They only come over a couple of days and they need to get back. Stuart's son, Luca, staying with us. So hopefully we can put into good use and slave him away. But I'll carry on with the gates. I'll take over where Beth finished off. That's what a job does, a dad does, should I say. We're also going to clear around here because a few people saying obviously it would look nice if I can't get rid of the trunk. It's just too big a job and I don't have the machinery to do that, and that's the same on this side, but I can at least clear away all the vegetation, the nettles, the weeds, etc., and that will brighten that up as well. So I'll be doing that as well as finishing gates so that Carol can then put some black hammerite paint on there, which hopefully we can do that tomorrow.
Day 4, I think, of Adrian trying to do the gates. He's doing a great job, but it's taken some time. Adrian,
Hello.
you know I've already booked the chimney sweep.
Yeah.
You look like you've been up the chimney.
Yeah, more than once.
You are disgusting.
Incredible help.
You actually do look like you've been up the chimney and working the mine.
Oh wow. So what do you think?
It's too bright to tell you, sorry.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure you've done a fantastic job.
It's back to the metal. Yes, we're getting there. I think we can start painting tomorrow.
They need a good jet wash off first.
What, me or the gates?
Bit of both, actually.
So I go jump in your pool.
Oh, well, I'm going to empty it, so you could do.
I could jump in your pool.
And I'm going to bin it because it's got a puncture. So just show us your legs, the colour.
Da, da, da.
Grim. That's probably the best place for you, the pool. Oh, look.
So, Right, okay, I'm going to carry on. I want to get this finished. Right, the moment of truth, we're going to hose it down. No, Cal's going to hose it down. Cal's going to hose Luca down. Right, I've connected. No. I've connected it to the well. I need to go and pump the well to give you water. Well, I wasn't sure that would work, so we've connected to the well, the hose pipe, and as you can probably hear in the background, well, as you can see, this hose pipe I think is 25 metres long as well, and it's virtually the full length. And wow, did not expect to get that up from the well and to there to be pressured. I'm not going to go over there because I know as soon as I go near her, I'm going to be hosed down. Less an eyeball, and we won't mention which one, so I'm staying here.
Don't even think about going naked.
I'll have to, won't I?
Do not even think about it.
What?
Don't even think about it.
Yeah, but at the end of the day, oh, whatever. I might DM on watch.
Adrian! Sorry folks, I had to cover up then. This is the first time that Adrian has been in my pool, and he's only doing it to get himself clean.
It's the last time as well, right?
It is, because
I put my wetsuit on.
after he's got out, I'm deflating it and letting the water go.
You pass the soap.
It's like watching an old man in a river having a little bath.
Oh man, actually it's not that bad. You get used to it, don't you, after a while?
Has the pool gone green?
It's gone yellow. Mellow.
He's peeing in it, that's right.
I might stay in here actually, it's quite nice.
Yeah, well, before you get out, I'm going to cut the video.
Oh.
So otherwise Bethany's going to get a huge shock when she's editing. Actually, no, she won't get a huge shock.
Yeah, it's cold in here.
So we're currently at Mont Saint Michel. I'm sure you guys have probably seen this place before on the video from other channels, or possibly just seen it from tourism in general. But we were told by some people in the village, we're not sure on this, we haven't fact checked this, we don't really know how to, but if you look at the very top, there is a golden angel up there, and we were told that during the war, that angel was taken down and was stored in our chateau to protect it from being stolen. If anyone knows how to find out if that was true or not, let us know.